Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. A very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, it's been a really pleasure for us to present something before all of you. Well, we already know that today we're gonna present the rape of the lock. So before we continue our presentation, we would like to introduce ourselves. Myself, Mohammad Rahat Hussain, batch 7, student of English department at University of Scholars, and I am along with Mr. Zubair. He is also from batch 7, Department of English at University of Scholars. And we are doing this presentation as a requirement to complete a course called Restoration Drama, course code 314, conducted by Shifat Islam ma'am. So as we already said that today we're going to talk about the rape of the lock, but we're not going to talk about the whole poem. Rather than we like to stick on a very specific topic. So today's our presentation topic is the major theme of the rape of the lock. So after read out the poem couple of times, we consider these 4 theme to put on the slide, and that are theme of beauty, religious and morality, immorality and female desire and passion.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Zubair Hussain. Though we are only 2 members in our group, here major themes we select 4 of them, and 2 I explain here. The first one, theme of beauty, and third one, immorality or the nature of the carefree nature of upper class people or society. Theme of beauty, Alexander Pope, the Rape of the Lock poems offers an ironic glance of 18th centuries code life, highlighting societies their beauty and appearances. Basically, this poem is goes with a beautiful woman, Belinda, who lost her lock of remarkable hair. The poem main thesis here, lost his main thesis here, internal beauty or something like that. Who is he? The poem goes along a beautiful woman, her name is Belinda, who lost her rape of lock, beautiful lock of hair. And steadily the poet goes on. Audience once getting collapse a battle between Belinda and Baron. Then second one. Third one, immorality. Okay.
So the second one is morality and religious. Well, this is also a very important theme in this The Rape of the Lock poem. Alexander Pope's poem is full of moral question about religious culture and life of 18th century people. The time when the poem was written, England's last monarch Catholic was destroyed, and England became the Protestant nation once again. And then the Protestant people start criticize the Catholic people. We already know that Alexander Pope belonged to a Catholic family, so it is possible to detect humorous evolution of Protestantism in his poem. At that time, the Protestant people make life very difficult to the Catholic people to own a land or live in London. So Alexander Pope parodized this whole situation by saying that the Christianity is not the best lens to understand the mystery of human behavior and self-obsession.
Then third major theme, immorality or carefree nature of upper class people. Pope has presented that in a matter of times their careless and casual response of upper class is dangerous. He presented the society where the upper class is busy to pursue their own goal, though is tribal and vain. Here the main thesis is that in 18th centuries, which upper class people belong in responsible place, but they didn't concern about ordinary people or common people. They only think about their luxuries, pomp and vanity. Though this class has opportunity to serve ordinary people, they don't think about this. They only busy with their personal life and obsession. Thank you. The next theme presented by Rahat.
So the last one is female desire and passion. Well, Alexander Pope made fun of women in his poem. We've seen that women are more concerned about their beauty aid alone. Alexander Pope presents Belinda as a epic heroine. He symbolized that the epic mock heroine is Belinda's maidenhood. And Clarissa's speech is a fine example for this situation, to handle with a smile rather than to do anything else to change it. So Alexander Pope made all this situation paradise and said that women are more control over the society than men were. Well, it is quite obvious that if you put bunch of men and women together, they will feel for each other, they will talk to each other, or maybe they will fall in love to each other. So Alexander Pope symbolized this all situation and said that this is quite threatening in that time, I mean 18th century time, to express any kind of expression like love or anything else through his writing. So having said that, that's all our presentation today, and if you have any question regarding our presentation, you may feel free to ask. We would love to answering you. Thank you.